Hello everybody, welcome to Maths for Tuesday the 23rd of February. Now, not sure I've done this the best way today, we'll see how we get on. But today we're going to count on and back to 50. You probably will need 100 square, you might not. We're only going to go up to 50 though, so if you want to you can have one of those or a number line. Now what I've done is I've made some parts of a number track, but I've missed some numbers out. Now sometimes those numbers are counting forwards and sometimes they're counting backwards. Now, how are we going to do this? I think if I hold my camera over the first three, then you can do those, and then I'll go on to maybe the next ones and then the next ones, and you can pause it as you go. I wasn't quite sure how to do it, so I hope you can see it all right. I will pause it here. So we've got number one. We could do this one together, couldn't we? We've got 18, 19, 20, then a missing number, and then 22, and another missing number, and then 24, 25, 26. So stop and have a think. What do you think those missing numbers are going to be? That's right. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Well done if you got 21 and 23 were the missing numbers. Now, it's really important today that you get your numbers the right way round. I'm not talking about doing a 3 going backwards that way. I'm talking about putting the digits the right way round. Remembering, numbers in the teens all start with a 1. Because if you look at the number 13 and you wrote it with the numbers the wrong way round, it would say 31, which is a completely different number. So you have to make sure your digits today are in the right order. Ask a grown-up to check. And before you write it, if you're not sure, check on your number square. Make sure, it doesn't matter if your numbers are backwards, but your digits need to be in the right order. That's really important when we're counting now in 2-digit numbers. So I'm going to hold my camera over the first 3 and you can pause the video and have a go. You don't need squared paper for this, but you can use it if you like. Off you go. Okay, I'm going to move it down now and you can do the next 3. Pause the video. And then the last 2 at the bottom. So you should have done 8 altogether, and be really careful that you've got your numbers the right way around, and also checking whether the numbers were going forwards or whether the numbers were going backwards. Now I've got a challenge for you if you've done that. You don't have to do this, but this one is called Spot the Mistakes. So what I've done is I've done 3 number lines, but they're all filled in, all the numbers, but they're not all the correct numbers. So pause it after each one and see if you can tell a grown-up which number is wrong, which one should it be, and how do you know? Next one. And the last one. Okay, I hope you got on all right with that tricky challenge, and I hope you've had fun and you could read the numbers okay. So make sure, like I said, that you've got your numbers in the right order if you're reading them and writing them, and if you were having problems with crossing those numbers to the next 10, then keep practicing that, because it's really important that you know which number comes after 19 and 29, 39 and 49 before we move on. Okay, so have a lovely day everybody. Bye for now.